my last video, I explained how to get a raw topic, and now we're gonna get into more refining part of the topic. Like at the end, I said what's next, and I put on like 4 pointers about what's next, and among them, number 1 was find synonyms and come up with a search strategy using Boolean operators on PubMed. But the question is, what are Boolean operators, right? So when you click this advanced button right here, it will take you to the advanced search strategy, right? So if you look right here, this is what it says: add with and, add with or, add with not. So these are your Boolean operators. Now let's say I want to search the topic that we found, right? So first I said that I will find the synonyms, and then I said I will use those synonyms in the Boolean operators, right? So that's what I'm gonna do now. I will just pick, no, for now I will do this. Unresectable carcinoma. Okay, I'll just search this. Usually when you click a study and if you scroll down, you can find some keywords right there. Okay, if that doesn't work, then I will have other method too. So you see how they have the keywords right here, and I need more. So I will open this a new tab, and this one is like more close because it has the word unresectable hepatocellular carcinoma. Let's scroll down, and here are the keywords right here. First line treatment, immunocombination therapy. Okay, so I can probably use immunocombination in these 2 words. I'll just copy them down, write them somewhere. Immunocombination. Okay. I actually want to know what's tremelimumab. Tremelimumab. Okay, we do have the synonym there. Nope. What is another name for tremelimumab that could work? Monoclonal antibody, also called as Imjudo. So I will do Imjudo. I will do monoclonal antibody. I'll show you what I mean by all this. And what is the use? No, I can use the mechanism of action. Let's see. Interview CD. Okay, that's not gonna work. Now that I have at least 3 words for tremelimumab, I would like to know other names for like hepatocellular carcinoma. I'm not sure if I can find any, but let's see. I will go to PubMed again, and let's see. So I couldn't find any synonyms for the hepatocellular carcinoma, so I will proceed with what I have found so far and use those words and tell you how you can use those words in Boolean operators, right? So first I will type in the drug name, which is tremelimumab. I really hope the spelling is right, tremelimumab, and I will add this with an or because I will be using synonyms for tremelimumab. That's why this will go with an or. And then next I will do monoclonal antibody. I could have been more specific with the monoclonal antibody because I'm sure there is a specific number or letters for tremelimumab. So I will add this with an or, and then Imjudo, that's also a synonym, goes with an or, and the immunocombination therapy, that also goes with an or, and then unresectable hepatocellular carcinoma, that will go with an and because it's not a synonym. And I'm just thinking, how about I write this, like, why not? And this can go with an or. And now this is your search strategy. It is important to have one because number one, you don't want to miss anything. And number two, when you get your meta published in an article, sometimes the articles want to know your search strategy, right? That was a short video on how to find the synonyms and use the Boolean operators on PubMed. Thank you for watching.